Before we proceed, let's define what Canva is. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. The app includes templates for users to use it for free, and also they offer paid subscription like Canva Pro and Canva for Enterprise for additional functionality. Canva makes branding images as simple as drag and drop. And for you to get started, you have to open your browser and type canva.com. Then you will be prompted directly to their platform. Then for us to start making a design, we have to log in by clicking the upper right corner of the screen. Create an account. You can choose whether to sign up via Google, Facebook, or an email. And in my case, I'm going to choose Facebook. There you go. We can now discuss the functions of the icons we see on the screen. Starting off on the upper right corner of the screen wherein you can see your profile, account settings, get help, the other teams that you are collaborating with, refer friends to get more premium photos, and the sign out option. We have here a create design if you are ready to make your own graphics. Also, we have 5 ways to search for a design. One is the create design icon. Second one is the search engine, wherein you can see all the other options. And then the templates. You can see social media, personal, business, marketing, education, trending. Also, they are located here on the upper part of the screen. The general list is over here. You can browse it to the right. And with this icon, this is used precise or the filtered type of the design. Like for example, the presentations, they are all compiled here. The social media, the videos, print products, marketing, office, and more. And also you may browse your screen down, and all the other templates are located here. And you may choose one if you are ready to start with. In creating a design, you can make a customized size if you have been given a size like 200 by 20 pixels. You have to edit photo and import a PDF. And over here on the left part of the screen are the recommended for you is the home screen. And all your saved designs will be found here. And your recent designs that you have just edited. And this is very useful because you can go back here. If you want to use the previous design, you just have to make a copy. You may move it to a folder, you can download, you can share, and get a link for you to share to others. And you can have to move it to trash. And then, in this icon is the shared with you if you are collaborating with other teams. The brand kit, for you to put the brand logos, the brand colors, and the brand fonts. You can upload it here. And all your folders where you can find your likes, purchase, uploads, and trash. Same here. The folders shared with you by your team. And this is the team that I am collaborating with. Also, you can invite members for them to see, edit your templates. In this feature icon, these are also located inside the edit area, and we will show to you later on. On the Learn button, you can have the courses on personal branding, social media mastery, graphic design basics, branding your business, presentation to improve. And don't worry, because these courses, tutorials, and blogs are free, and you may look into this before making your designs for you to have many ideas and for you to come up with a great graphics. Here in pricing, because our account is for free, you can upgrade to a pro for a more number of templates and stock photos, and for a no watermarks upon downloading your graphics. Whether you are into enterprise, education, or nonprofits, you can choose your account on what upgrade. So, I guess we're all ready to make a design, and for us to start, we have to create the design. Clicking this, and I have thought in mind of making a Facebook post. And here we have to choose the Facebook post, and you don't have to worry because all the templates are based on what the suggested size per platform. Like for example, this Facebook post, it's 940 by 788 pixels, so you have to click on that. Here you can notice that the icon says try Canva Pro, because our account is a free one, so there's a lot you can do with a pro upgraded Canva. First, I'd like to show you the elements here on the left part of the screen, wherein you can see the lines and the shapes that you can use. There's a lot, from the basic shapes, the lines, and other suggested shapes that you can use. Others are the graphics. Some are animated. You can see there is a word free, so you can get this without a fee. But if you can see a crown or with a word pro, you have to buy. You have to buy it for you to use and get that graphics for your design. Others are sketchy flowers, camping rustic drawings, hand-drawn animals, hand-drawn love, and so on and so forth. Those are the elements that you might want to browse, and you'll enjoy looking at those and using all those stuffs on your design. And here you can upload media from your device, and then the text. If you want to make a title, just click the add heading, add a subheading, add a little bit of tiny text. And they have suggested some font combination. There's a lot here where there is a glowing text. Browse all the way down for you to choose all those lovely texts. Like for example, we choose this, love you. There you go. And you can animate those one with breathe, fade, pan, rise, tumble, and those are for free because these are for the upgraded one, which is the pro. And with that, you can play a little bit other text. This one, you can see that you can, let's delete the other one. See that they are groups, so in order for you to separate this graphics, you have to click this ungroup button, and there you go. You can move this to the right, move this on the lower part, and this one. You can also resize the font by clicking this or you can stretch this and crop that. You can resize that. Also, you can change the font color. See? From black to purple. Okay. This one is for the alignment of the text. This one is if you want to make a button or numbers. This one is for the letter spacing, line spacing, like for example, job proposal. You see the space here. That's the one. That's the purpose of this letter spacing. See that? It goes up and down, and you just have to resize it. And the letter spacing is if you want it to be apart, and we don't want to do that. Okay, so the effects, if you want to have a shadow, just pull this button if you want to look like that, and then just click on the colors that you want to be on the shadow, like black, gray, like that, and the transparency, the blur, on which direction you want it to. There you go. And then this one is a lift. You can play with this for the intensity. Okay. This one is for the hollow, splice, echo, and there's a glitch and neon here. You can change the intensity also. Also, there's this curve. I like this because you can move this. This if you want to curve up. Just drag this. Curve up or curve down. Just like that. Okay. Nice one. And if you want to animate your graphics, there's a bunch of choices here. You wanted to block, typewriter, ascend, bounce, burst, and a whole lot more. But these are free. Beware of this pro icon because this is for an upgraded Canva. Okay, so let's start with on the other part of the screen, which is the position. Okay, click on the item. Let's add some graphics. Okay, this one is placed on top of the item, so we don't want to replace it here, so this one will work. Let's position it backward. So there you go. On top, middle, bottom, left, center, and right. But you can also put it here, right click, and bring the front up. Item is not chosen. It's the title. Center back the title so that the image will come up on front. Okay, let's go to our preferred design. So, as I said earlier, this is a job proposal. So, I have here the template. Like for example, we are looking for a customer service representative. So, you can choose here photos, and you can add here the photos, the background, the styles, the folders, audio. I just wanted to put it here. for easy access. So, okay. In here, photos are stock photos that you can use without the copyright. The styles, this will show you different combination of text and colors, like here, colors and fonts. Here you can use audios, video, and backgrounds for your graphics. Just click this and it will change the Canva. You want colorful one, floral, and as you can see, there is a watermark here, Canva, because it is for a pro. So you have to remove watermarks by purchasing this item. Just be careful on choosing those and look for the word free. These are the charts that you can use when you are making a presentation or reports. Folders wherein you can locate your files. More on apps and integrations that you can use. I'm going to teach you the tips and tricks in using Canva. So I'm using my free account so that everyone could use this. And let's start. First, we have to choose a template. Like, for example, a photo collage. That, and let's choose here on the upper left part corner. And then just choose any one of these. So this one, there are a shortcut on our keyboard, using our keyboard. Like, for example, we want to insert shapes like circle. We have to click letter C. There you go. And with this, you can change the color. Choose a color in the color palette. And then if you want another shape, like for example rectangle, I click the letter R. Okay. And if you are going to type a text, just type the letter T. And there you go. You can insert your text here. Another one is the use of the grids and the ruler. So if you want to check the alignment of the images on your Canva, you have to use this by clicking the button file and then show rulers or the shortcut Shift R and show guides, Control and semicolon. Like that. So as you can see, the ruler shows up and on the left side. So you just have to wait for the arrows and then you have to drag it down on where you want to put, and then on the side another, as many rows as you want if you want to check the alignment of the images, like that. Okay, and you're done with your grids, just untick the rulers and the guides on the file button. Here's another trick. If you want this image to put in the middle and for it to be sure that it is in the middle, just drag this image, put it on the center, and a clear line will show, telling you that it is on the right line. That is the cross line. So your image is now on the center of the canvas. That's it. Okay, and with the tricks on color palette, if you're not good in color combination, I'll just give you a link on the color combination. This is the Canva colors here. So you can see there is a color palette generator, color palette ideas. There are a bunch of colors here, and a color wheel, and what are the colors meanings. Here in a color palette generator, if you want to copy the color within a specific image, it will give you the code that you will copy and paste it in your color palette. Give you an example. Okay, you just have to upload an image here. This is the color codes, color names, and you just have to copy it. Like for example, you have a circle here and you want to copy the color from your official logo, and just have to click the copy and then go back to your Canva, click the item, click the color, generate, click the color palette, and then paste the copy code, and then you have to select it. There you go. Another one, other color, copy, paste it, and there's the last one, color, copy, paste the code, and there you go. You have the color of your official logo. So we have finished the color palette generator, and then now we're going to use the color palette ideas. We're in the ultimate inspiration for stunning color combinations. You can choose color combinations here, just typing the word, like for example the word orange, click yes, and there are 9 pages recommended for you. Like for example, I want this, and you have to copy the code. This is the name and the color code. It's good combination with red, yellow, and this is the orange. This one is the burnt sienna. So you just have to copy and paste it on your, like that, and you have the color. If you want another one, just copy the next item. There. The other one is the yellow. Last one is the orange. So actually these are 4 color combination that will looks good on your design. And then let's go back to the colors. This is the color wheel. Here you just have to pick a color, like for example we have a color code, or you just have to click here and the code will be shown here. You can choose a color combination if it's complementary, monochromatic, analogous, triadic, tetradic. The difference between those monochromatic is that you have 2 combinations. Analogous is 3 color combination. You can adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance if that is not the exact color combination that you want. Another is triadic, that is in a triangle pattern. Tetradic is in a square pattern. So you can click and then the color combination will change. Also the codes here. So you just have to copy the code and paste it on your canvas. Okay, then the 4th part is the color meanings. If you want to browse the list of meanings, just click here and you may type your color, or you may choose color down here. This one, red. Read more about red, and Red is a rich color with an even richer history. This will look on your canvas, and on the right part is the color combinations of red in mono, analogous, complementary, and triadic. If you want to add more color combination, just click on this tab. Okay, the next tip that I'm going to share with you is the font combination. I have here the link. Just type this, canva.com/learn/the ultimate guide to font pairing. So with this, we'll give you the ultimate guide to font pairing like this one. The number 1 is League Spartan. This would be the heading. This is the subheading, and then this would be the text of the body. So with this, they will give you what size of the font, and this will look good on your presentation. You just have to browse down here like this one, Julius Sans 1. This is the font name, and this one is the font combination, Archivo Nauru, and the other one is Source Sans Pro with the size font of 62 and 24, and another one is 16. So that's it. Thank you for your time for taking this course. Hope you have learned so many things about this. It's time for you to apply those learnings into action. Good luck!